Hi, welcome to Go Smart Learn 3ds Max tutorials. 3ds Max is a purely designing software where you can make any models to the world's according precise units. In order to make the model, first we have to set the units in which we are going to work with. Let us set the units first. Go to Customize in the Ribbon tab. In Ribbon tab, use Unit Setup. In Unit Setup, you have the display unit scale as metric. In metric, you have chosen it as centimeters. Centimeters, you can also change it to millimeters, meters, and kilometers. People who are comfortable with the US standard can also go for this option. For now, let's stick with metric so that it will be easy for all the people to understand. Click on OK. In order to see how this unit setup works, we will try making a box as an example. Let's create a box from the standard primitives in the geometry section. This is called as a creation tab. Under creation tab, you have geometry, shapes, lights, and cameras. In the geometry section, you have standard primitives, extended primitives, compound objects, and so on. We'll stick to the basics for now. Let's create a box. I'll click on the box. To draw the box, you have to get used to how many number of clicks and holds and drags is needed. To draw the box, first I'm going to click and hold my mouse button, and I'm going to drag it so that the length and width is fixed. Once I feel like this is okay, I'll leave the mouse button. Now, without clicking anything, I just move my mouse across the screen so that it gives the height of the box. Once I feel the height is good enough, I'll click again. Now this is taken as a confirmation and the box is fully done. If I want to know the parameters of the box, for example, the length, width, and the height, I can look at my right hand side. Here it is given as 39.114 centimeter as a length. Let's change everything to 50 centimeter to make it as a cube. 50 for length, 50 for width, and 50 for height. The next important thing which we have to learn while modeling is the mouse control. In order to look at the box at the full manner, I'm going to pan a little bit. Panning is nothing but press and holding the center mouse button. It will change into a hand cursor, then you can move it along the screen wherever you want. Suppose if I want to zoom in to a section and see, I have to scroll my center mouse button frontwards. Once that is done, I am going to scroll it backwards in order to finish my box. Next, in order to finish my final geometry, I have to know about all the editing and modifying tools. We will look into that at the later sections.